Welcome. In the fast-paced world of healthcare, visibility is everything. With patients increasingly turning to the internet to find medical professionals, it's more crucial than ever for your practice to be easy to find. SEO, search engine optimization, is the key to making sure your clinic stands out in search results and attracts the patients you want. Whether you're based in Muscat, Dubai, or any other Gulf city, SEO can help you connect with the local community and grow your practice. Think of SEO as the map that guides patients directly to your clinic. When a potential patient searches for a doctor, clinic, or a specific health service in their area, being among the top results is essential. SEO ensures that your practice is visible to those who are actively looking for your expertise. For medical professionals in the Gulf, local SEO plays a pivotal role. By focusing on geo-targeted keywords and optimizing your online presence on platforms like Google My Business, we help your clinic show up in relevant searches. Additionally, patient reviews and a robust online reputation enhance trust and increase patient conversions. At our company, we specialize in SEO for healthcare providers across the Gulf region. We understand the unique needs of doctors and clinics in this region, and our strategies are designed to help you rank higher on search engines, attract more patients, and ultimately grow your practice. We invite you to explore our website and connect with us through the links in the description to discover how we can assist you with your SEO needs. Let's work together to enhance your online presence and bring more patients to your clinic.